Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, you will learn about combination mark logo. The logo that represents the company name is a birdhouse. In this video, we are some of the birdhouse company logos will be created. So I designed some concepts on the page. So let's vectorize these concepts. So let's design. What was our first concept? So first of all, we will go to pen tool and quickly create a logo from the first concept. So we have created a logo from the first concept. Now we create the second concept logo. We'll go to pen tool and we'll design the second logo concept. So this is we made the second concept logo. After that, which was our third concept, make it quickly. So now we will create the final concept logo. Now we are going to type tool for the logo title, and the logo titles have been adjusted. So finally I adjusted the logo title as well. I hope you will learn a lot from this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and share to friends. Thank you.